Abhishek Kapoor, Amit Saad, Sushant Singh Rajput and Rajkumar Yadav, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
Abhishek, there's a very positive buzz around your new film Kai Po Che, which you've adapted from what is possibly Chetan Bhagat's least successful novel, The Three Mistakes of My Life. What was it that drew you to this book?
Well, even his least successful novel has 1 million and plus a couple of crore readers.
Right.
But you know, what attracted me to this book was that it was a very Indian story, and it's a very simply told story in the book, and you know, he touches upon some real events that happened in India between 2000 and 2002.
Right.
Like the earthquake and the riots, and a very important India-Australia test match.
Okay.
Which India got a follow-on in and went on to win eventually. So these are major events, and they're real events, and he's written a fictional story that is woven into these real events.
Okay.
You know, and as a film director, I felt I could add some value to that story, and I could add some style, my own way of telling a story onto celluloid.
Sure.
Somewhere I felt I could you know, tell a story about Indian people, Indian values, at the same time not being preachy.
Right.
You know, and with a sensibility that, you know, that the Indians also would love, and hoping that it would reach out to an international audience as well.
Sure.
You know, and I thought that was an opportunity I didn't want to let go of.
रूठे ख्वाबों को मना लेंगे, कटी पतंगों को थामेंगे, है जज्बा सुलझा लेंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा।
You know, when films about friendship are made, actors tend to spend time together, they spend to hang around together and really get to know each other and build that rapport.
Yes.
Is that something you all had to do? Was that part of your brief?
Yes, we spent a lot of time together. We did workshops with Gattu sir and our casting director Mukesh Chabra, and we did a lot of work because we were so kicked of availing this, of getting this opportunity, that we used to hang around. I still remember once Raj and Shashank, we went to Prithvi to have coffee, and we forgot our coffee and we were doing exercises. And we were talking, you know, we were doing those acting exercises, you know, of imagination and stuff.
Building the character.
Yeah. And if somebody would hear us at that time, would actually laugh at us, like, what's wrong with these guys?
Right.
So we were just in it, you know what I mean?
You know, to the three of you, was this a difficult film to make?
Yeah, I think this is very difficult. This was a very, again, we were shooting in 45 to 50 degrees in Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Right.
It was very hot. Other than that, the complexities of our characters, of Omi, Ishan and Govind, there's so much layering, and there's so much happening in their lives and in context of the film, that, you know, the focus level had to be more than 100%. So it was very challenging physically, mentally, emotionally, because there is an emotional turmoil which all these characters have in their own certain way.
Correct.
So it was very challenging.
I wouldn't say difficult, but yes, I mean, like, we were shooting in the sun and were mostly outdoors, but then I was enjoying it because I wanted to be part of this film.
Right.
Before this film, I got few film offers, but then those scripts were not that interesting enough. But once I read the script and I got to know that Mr. Kapoor is directing it, I just wanted to be a part of this film. And while we were shooting it, I mean, every day was like, yes, I have to go and shoot. That's it.
Okay.
I think if you're enjoying what you're doing, the shoot, I think it's not difficult. Anything is not difficult. But it doesn't matter if you're shooting in a sun 50 degrees but if you don't enjoy, if you're shooting in an AC hall also, if you don't enjoy it, I think that becomes really difficult. But in case of Kai Po Che, I think we all enjoyed so much that personally I didn't find it difficult.
Okay. Sushant, you were the only film virgin on the set when you were making this film. The other two had acted in films. Did you find cinema to be a very different beast from television?
No, I don't think so. Before television, I did theatres also. And before that, I did Nukkad Natak also. So it's like a good 5 years of Nukkad Natak, theatre, TV, and then films. Okay. So as an actor, I think, as I said, I don't know how skilled I am, but then I try, and I'm so passionate, you can say, and I love this filmmaking process so much that I just want to give my 100%. and it's a very exciting phase in my life because Abhishek has never seen me on TV, and with all the other filmmakers I'm working with, they've never seen me on TV, and they've just seen my audition tapes and they're taking me. So it's very encouraging for me, and I'm working hard not to disappoint them.
Right. You know, Rajkumar Hirani has of course signed you for PK, in which you act with Amir Khan. You've also signed Manish Sharma's film that you're doing. When you hear the media say things like next big thing, does that make you nervous? Does that put pressure on you?
Yes, sometimes yes, but then that's why I don't get any more newspapers in my house these days.
Okay. Abhishek, you made Farhan Akhtar act. I mean, would you consider acting again, or is that one of your mistakes of your life?
No, in fact, having got into the acting space without having trained myself and
That's
understood the magnitude or the depth of what I was getting into, and just feeling so clumsy and unprepared
That's
when I
right.
was an actor. I wish having brought that up. I mean, I wish when I did make my foray into acting, I was more prepared, more focused, and more trained. Yeah.
Right. Have you all seen his acting?
They cannot answer that.
I was going to say, are they too much in respect and awe of you to sort of,
I have not seen his acting, but
Yeah,
when I
no,
got
I
his
saw Ufie Mohabbat. I saw Ufie Mohabbat.
But when I got
You're the one.
That one ticket.
I saw his songs on YouTube.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for talking to us. Looking forward to seeing your new film.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.